Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT's new Sora 2, the most powerful AI video generator that can turn your text into cinematic videos in seconds. No editing skills needed, no complicated setup, just type what you want and let the AI do the rest. So first, what exactly is Sora 2? It's OpenAI's upgraded text-to-video model integrated directly into ChatGPT. You can simply describe a scene and Sora 2 generates ultra-realistic video clips, perfect for YouTube Reels or short films. So to access it, you can just open the page, or you can also open it on ChatGPT on your browser or app. But make sure that you are using the GPT-5 model or any version that supports video generations. And then type, for example, generate a cinematic video using Sora 2 off, like that. Or you can also just write it directly in here on this page. You can see the prompt box. For example, I want to create a drone shot flying over Tokyo at sunrise with cinematic lighting and 4K quality. You can now just hit on generate, but you can also modify the duration, quality, and also orientation. So the secret to getting the best videos is your prompt. So always include the scene description such as location, lighting, camera angle, the characters or mood, the style like cinematic, vlog, animations, or others, and also the duration or pacing if available. And as you guys can see, if you new to Sora, you'll get 10 free credit usually, but I already used mine, so I have 0 credit. And if you want to generate the video again, you need to subscribe or choose a plan from here. But this is this is one of the example of the video that I generated. So once the video is generated, you can preview it and then you can download it and it's ready to share. So that's how you use Sora 2 to create mind-blowing AI videos in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next video.